Was it ever real, or just a beautiful lie? Months are falling deeper every single day. Felt like seventh heaven when you looked my way. But something in your voice, it never stayed the same. A little bit the distance every time you'd say my name. I gave you everything, my heart wide open door. Now I'm second guessing everything and more. From the start it felt like walking on a wire. Loving you so hard but drowning in the fire. Now you can't show up, another sweet excuse. Every time we planted something set you loose. I'm reaching for your hand but you slip right through. Tell me if you're with me or if this ain't true. Was you ever mine, or a game you played? You said you love me then you fade away. I'm making, I'm breaking, don't know what to feel. Seventh heaven turned to, is any of it real? Oh, tell me if you love me. Don't leave me standing here alone tonight. Da 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 da. I don't wanna push you, don't wanna scare you off, but this silence killing me, I can't hold it off. Should I speak my fear or swallow it again? Every time I try, I feel the war within. Maybe if I ask you, you disappear for good. Maybe if I stay quiet, I'm misunderstood. Either way, I'm losing, either way it hurts. Loving you in shadows while my mind rehearsed the worst. Tell me, was it real? Or was I just a feeling that you didn't need to keep? 'Cause I gave you all of me and now I can't sleep. I need to know, was you